Most telescopes for viewing planets on Amazon deliver dim, washed-out images and struggle with steady focus. Pick wrong and you waste money and miss stunning planetary details. Ever tried to spot planets through a dusty lens and felt frustrated? This video will help you pick a telescope that actually reveals planetary details. Today, I'm going to be going over the best telescope for viewing planets that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Gskyer Telescope. Initial impressions reveal a compact, beginner-friendly refractor designed for curious kids and weekend stargazers, offering approachable setup and forgiving operation. The optical tube uses a fully coated glass lens system with an aluminum alloy frame, delivering sturdiness while remaining notably light for transport. Its AZ mount simplifies manual tracking during lunar and planetary observations, while the included carry bag eases packing for family trips. With a 400mm focal length and 70mm aperture, the telescope balances light gathering and magnification for entry-level astronomy. 2 replaceable eyepieces plus a 3x Barlow lens triple the magnification potential, enabling both wide-field scanning and close planetary detail. Wireless remote and smartphone adapter enable celestial photography and control from a distance, turning casual stargazing into shareable moments with family. An adjustable aluminum tripod supports diverse viewing angles, while the included carry bag keeps everything organized for travel and easy storage. In practical testing, the optics delivered crisp moon details and bright planetary views under moderate skies, with simple focusing and reliable stability. Compared with the Celestron Power Seeker, the Gskyer Telescope offers easier setup, lighter transport, and a more complete travel-friendly package. The pros include easy setup, solid optical quality for its class, and the included travel carry bag. The cons include limited high magnification options and a compact tripod that sometimes limits stability on uneven surfaces. In on-site testing under suburban skies, the finder scope aided object location, while the 3x Barlow lens expanded viewing possibilities. Overall value remains compelling for beginners seeking portability and simplicity, with solid customer feedback reflecting satisfaction and confidence from a reputable manufacturer. At number 4, we have the 150 EQ Newtonian Reflector Telescope. From first unboxing, the sturdy aluminum and weighty tripod inspire confidence, signaling durability for hobbyists, families, and curious adults new to astronomy. The mount uses a smooth German Equatorial design with slow motion controls, delivering accurate tracking, while the stainless steel tripod supports stable viewing. For beginners, adjustable eyepieces and a red dot finder simplify targeting, while the included moon filter improves lunar contrast during close-up sessions. With 2 eyepieces and a 2x Barlow lens, the kit offers versatile magnification for planets and the moon. In night sky tests, this model produced bright planetary details and steady lunar views, aided by the moon filter and solid mount stability. Setup is quick thanks to tool-free assembly and the carry bag, allowing spontaneous sessions at local parks or backyard observatories. The telescope sports a 650mm focal length, which helps balance field of view and magnification for crystalline deep sky glimpses. The included Equatorial mount features precision dials and slow-motion control knobs that enable precise tracking across hours of observation. With a heavy-duty tripod and adjustable height, the setup remains stable even in breezy conditions, improving planetary crispness and lunar crater visibility. The kit includes a phone adapter, enabling quick astrophotography through the eyepiece with minimal setup, perfect for capturing lunar and planetary moments. Storage and transport are simplified by a large carry bag that holds the telescope, tripod, and all accessories in one convenient package. The included moon filter reduces glare to deliver comfortable, higher contrast views of craters, seas, and Maria during extended lunar sessions. Compared to a typical entry-level refractor, this Newtonian reflector delivers brighter planetary details thanks to its larger aperture. The pros include excellent light gathering, precise equatorial tracking, and complete accessories included, delivering a robust and beginner-friendly package. The cons include higher price compared with entry-level refractors and a heavier frame that reduces portability for frequent travelers. At number 3, we have the MEEZAA Refractor Telescope, a versatile entry point for curious beginners venturing into planetary observation. This telescope is tailored for beginners, casual sky watchers, and curious families seeking a straightforward setup and reliable, daylight-ready optics. A sturdy alloy chassis and precise fittings create a durable, portable instrument that inspires confidence during assembly and adjustment. The 800mm focal length balances magnification and field of view, enabling versatile observing from moon to bright planets. The 90mm aperture gathers ample light, enhancing brightness and detail for lunar craters and planetary bands during twilight and night. The magnification spans from 32 times to 240 times when paired with the two eyepieces and a 3x Barlow. The 3x Barlow lens triples magnification, expanding the view of lunar features and planetary details. Includes an adjustable stainless steel tripod extending from 28 to 46 inches, a carry bag, and a phone adapter for sharing. In direct comparison, the MEEZAA Refractor telescope delivers brighter lunar details and faster setup than the basic Power Seeker model, especially for beginners. The pros include solid build quality, easy setup, and versatile accessories. The cons include bulky tripod for travel and limited high magnification performance. The telescope uses fully multi-coated optical glass lenses with high transmission coating to preserve brightness and contrast across viewing conditions. With the included detailed paper manual, most users assemble in around 10 minutes and begin enjoyable observing sessions immediately. A carry bag, phone adapter, and all accessories fit neatly inside, simplifying storage and transport between backyard stargazing nights. Overall, this model delivers a compelling value for beginners seeking reliable optics, straightforward setup, and adaptable features that encourage ongoing exploration. At number 2, we have the NASA Lunar Telescope, a kid-friendly tool designed to spark curiosity through simple, results-oriented lunar viewing. From the moment you unbox the NASA Lunar Telescope, the tabletop tripod and smooth mount system establish a friendly stage for young stargazers. Its compact tabletop design prioritizes stability and ease of use, making assembly approachable for parents and exciting for kids eager to explore. The included finder scope supports quick lunar location, while the low and high power eyepieces deliver adjustable magnification for beginner-friendly exploration. With up to 90 times magnification, young observers can glimpse lunar plains and craters, turning curiosity into tangible, first-hand astronomical discoveries. As a beginner astronomy tool, it invites family science time and supports education through simple assembly and clear lunar visuals. The smooth mount system and stable base enable panning across the lunar surface, with up to 90 times magnification via the included eyepieces. When stacked against a typical entry-level beginner telescope, the NASA Lunar Telescope delivers simpler setup and sharper lunar detail. The pros include easy assembly, beginner-friendly operation, and affordable pricing that makes quality science accessible for families. The cons include limited magnification and a compact aperture that may disappoint serious stargazers seeking deeper sky views. The kit includes two eyepieces that let youngsters switch from broad lunar surveys to focus close-ups with minimal fuss. Market data shows a 4.1 average rating from 69 reviews, with strong monthly sales and consistent demand. Investing around $44.99, the NASA Lunar Telescope offers extensive educational value per dollar. Included accessories such as a sturdy tabletop tripod, finder scope, and two eyepieces round out the kit, offering immediate, hands-on star watching. Blue Marble has named this model Toy of the Year, reinforcing its educational value and kid-friendly design. If you want a straightforward, budget-friendly lunar viewing experience for kids and families, this telescope fits your needs. At number 1, we have the Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ. Newcomers will appreciate the smartphone-powered sky tour that guides you toward planets, nebulae, and star clusters with simple on-screen prompts. As an entry-level telescope, its compact 4.5-inch Newtonian design balances portability with bright celestial views ideal for urban observers. StarSense patented technology analyzes star patterns to compute telescope position, turning your smartphone into a celestial navigation system for precise target alignment. Although compact, the unit uses a sturdy aluminum frame and a smooth alt-azimuth mount that reliably steadies aiming under calm night conditions. Its overall footprint remains modest, with a compact form that slips easily into a backpack for spontaneous observing sessions near city lights. With a 4.5-inch Newtonian reflector, optics deliver sharp, vivid views of the moon and bright planets when skies cooperate. The StarSense Explorer app automatically generates a curated list of top targets to view, adjusting for your time and location to maximize stargazing. StarSense uses sky recognition rather than relying solely on gyroscopes, enabling precise telescope positioning even when you travel or relocate mid-session. The Lost in Space algorithm, a playful nod to satellite-level navigation, enhances accuracy by cross-referencing star patterns during real-time viewing. During field testing, alignment time stayed brief once you followed the on-screen arrows, delivering bright planetary views even from light-polluted areas. Using the phone to power navigation preserves telescope simplicity while keeping weight down and enabling easy sharing of views through your device. An unbeatable 2-year US warranty accompanies the package along with unlimited US-based support that helps beginners troubleshoot alignment and optical questions. Compared with a traditional manual 4.5-inch reflector, this StarSense Explorer LT delivers app-guided alignment that saves time and effort. The pros include easy setup, bright views, and excellent app support. The cons include limited accessories and phone dependency.